Hello, Daniel Eze here. Good evening from my end. It is exactly 11:36 p.m. Saturday, 31st August 2024. In the previous video I talked about 7 different currency pairs on the 4 hours time frame that are having similar new trend formation to the bullish direction. So I will be doing more like a continuation in this video where I'll be showing you what has been done thus far from the last time I earlier communicated in this wise. So in this video I'll be running through those currency pairs again. I talked about aside this particular chart I am on currently, the New Zealand dollar against the Japanese yen. Let me also reveal others. The other 6 talked about I talked about the US dollar against the Japanese yen. I talked about the Japanese yen, the Australian dollar against the Japanese yen. I talked about the Swiss franc against Japanese yen. I talked about the Canadian dollar against the Japanese yen. I talked about the euro against the Japanese yen. I talked about the pound sterling against Japanese yen, and then the New Zealand dollar against the Japanese yen. So running through this chart, this is the bullish trend direction. You could see this dark candle, this dark trend line pointing upward, showing you the trend formation, the new trend formation to the upward direction. That is the bullish direction. So let me go on through those currency pairs so you could see the charts of others. The US dollar, you could see the charts. Yes, you could see the chart of the Australian dollar against the Japanese yen. You could see the chart of the Swiss franc against the Japanese yen. Yes, you could see the chart of the Canadian dollar against the Japanese yen. You could see the chart. You could see the chart of the euro against the Japanese yen. You could see the chart of the pound sterling against the Japanese yen. You could see the chart. You could see the chart of the New Zealand dollar against the Japanese yen. Yes, now you could remember how that during my last video the price of the New Zealand dollar and others were lower than where they are currently. You could see on the previous video, in the previous video, price was around 89.647 thereabouts. Yes, thereabouts. But you could see currently it's 91.294. That tells you there has been an ongoing increase in price movement, and that is extra profit aside what was earlier reviewed in my previous video. Yes, this is profit. So basically what I do is, after my fundamental analysis and technical analysis, talking about my fundamentals, I mean the macroeconomic data, the news unfolding on each currency pair that I am dealing with across these 7 currency pairs aforementioned. I take note of every unfolding in this regard, and then my technical analysis, I've done everything that ought to be done, checking my long time frames to know if there are levels of conflict or resistance, talking about levels of resistance that may want to hinder the movement of price to the bullish or upward direction. So having done all that, what I basically do moving forward is to allow price to get to a fair level where I could buy at a cheaper rate, and then price movement go beyond that level and I make profit, and they allow price to drop again, and I buy and price trust up and I cash out using my cash flow investing strategy and allow price to drop again. So that's basically what I've been doing again and again, because I already know that these charts that I'm dealing on, or these currency pairs that I spotted on a 4 hours time frame having similar new trend formation, I already know they are heading to the bullish direction based on my analysis. Yes, based on my analysis. So that's one reason I continue to follow the unfolding of things. Yes, the unfolding of things in this direction. So I allow price to drop, I buy at that lower level, and then the price moves higher and I cash out. I allow price to drop again and I buy, and price move higher. So I am using this approach to rake in mouth-watering profits. Yes, in record time. These are not gimmicks. This is what I'm basically doing all these past few days, even moving forward, because I'm still following up with the unfolding of things across these 7 currency pairs aforementioned. Yeah, I'm still following up because I'm not done with this whole new trend formation across these 7 currency pairs aforementioned. So shortly I'll be showing you evidence of what have been done thus far. Yes, evidence, real life evidence, not gimmicks. Yeah, not gimmicks. So I'll be minimizing this page and revealing to you evidence in this regard. Evidence in this regard. So this is monthly statement from my brokerage firm. This is the brokerage firm I trade with. It was sent to me not quite long. You could see it is dated 31st August 2024. This is my monthly statement to show my trading activity for the month of August in this regard. So you could see the deposit of 1,590,965 that was made. That's the capital that was deposited to this account on the 9th of August 2024 by 2:59 p.m. So I'll be scrolling and you'll be seeing the profit made across aforementioned currency pairs. You could see a buy order on the 12th of August 2024 on CHF and JPY, that's the Swiss franc against the Japanese yen. You could see the profit made. The first profit made was 30,334.64. You could see that. Yes, after the deposit that was made on the 9th, you could see deposit balance, you could see deposit, you could see KPB, you could see 133.6053. You could see under trade P/L, you could see 1,590,965.00. That is the capital that was deposited or used to generate the profit I'll be showing you in total. So I'll be scrolling down so you could see how the whole thing was summed up. Now let's scroll down. You could see all through profits are being raked using that approach of I buy at a lower rate, price move up, I cash out, I allow price to drop again. That is what I have been doing for the past few days, precisely on the 12th, but I started cashing out on the, yes, from the 12th, from the 13th, 14th, 15th, 19th, 26th, 29th, 30th. So let's continue. You could see the profit made, no loss for all closed activities on trade. You could see what has been done. I'll be scrolling gradually so you could see. Now, to prove to you that this is a live account, a withdrawal was made on the 18th, 37,934.14. A withdrawal was also made on the 22nd of August 2024, 127,436.93. Another withdrawal was made on the 24th of August 2024, 300,000 withdrawal. Let's continue. So you could see other profit made. Yes, a buy order on the USD, against the Japanese yen. You could see the Australian dollar against the Japanese yen. You could see the euro, the Canadian dollar. You could see every currency pair aforementioned being traded. The same currency pair I mentioned on my chart before coming to this page, the same currency are being recorded here. That's to tell you they are not gimmicks. The same I earlier communicated are the same you are seeing right here. Right here. Yes. No loss. These are profit made. Yes. Another withdrawal was made on the 27th of August by 6:27 p.m. An 80,686.83 withdrawal was made on the 27th of August 2024. This is real money. This is not gambling. This is not gimmicks. Okay? These are not jokes. Let's continue. All profit made. All profit made. All profit made. All profit made. So we're heading gradually to the sum total for the month. Yes. Yeah. This is the sum total for the month. 1,657,595.26. This is the total profit generated using a capital of 1,590,965.00 to generate more than that capital. Yes, in just few days, 595.26 was generated. That is surpassing even the capital deposited. A profit surpassed, that's more than 100% in profit that was generated. Now you could see the total withdrawal that was made, deposit / withdrawal. The withdrawal that was made is 1,044,907.10. Profits are being made, profits are being withdrawn. Yes, this is a live account. These are not storytelling, okay? Not storytelling. This is real. This is real. So let me scroll back. You could see again, no profit, no loss made. These are all profits. Multiple trades. You could count them if you can. Multiple trades, all profits. All profits. All profits. So I'll be taking you back to another page. Peradventure you have questions. Okay, let me take you here. Peradventure you want to learn more about the business of trading financial instruments, and you could go on Amazon, search for my book, Simplified Trading Skills, very easy to comprehend strategies. Yes, Simplified Trading Skills, very easy to comprehend strategies. Yes, I also have other books, the likes of Winning the Era. If you check my page, you'll see a good number of my books, about 8 other books on my page. But these books will help if you want to know more about the corporate world in the areas of finance, trading, the market. So you check out these books and add value to yourself, okay? Add value to yourself. The more you learn, the more you earn. Yes, the investment you make in yourself today will speak in no small way. Yes, will speak in no small way. The more you learn, the more you earn. Go for knowledge. Knowledge is paramount. If you have questions in this regard, you could equally reach out to me. If you have questions in this regard, you could equally reach out to me. Okay? Peradventure you have questions, In this regard, you could equally reach out to me. These are my contact details. You have comments, feedback, you could reach out to me on email, on WhatsApp, phone call. This is my number. You could reach out to me on LinkedIn. You could reach out to me on Facebook. You could reach out to me on Instagram. You could reach out to me on Twitter. So take note of this. Peradventure you have things to communicate in this regard. You do what you have to do, okay? You do what you have to do. Now is the time to get started. Now is the time to add value to yourself, because it will pay you in no small way as the days unfold. It will pay you in no small way as the days unfold. It will pay you in no small way as the days unfold. So you do what you have to do, okay? Do what you have to do. It will pay you in no small ways as the days unfold. I remain Daniel Eze. You stay safe. Be good. Thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. I'll be dropping videos subsequently just to help you navigate on the right path as regards the business of trading financial instruments. Yes, the business of trading financial instruments. You could do well to like, you could do well to share this video, you could do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Yes, I would greatly appreciate you do same. Yes, I would greatly appreciate you do same. You like, you share. You could also use the comment section. If you have questions to ask, I'll respond. If I come across such or any. Subscribe, support the page by a subscription, by sharing to all and sundry. Invite others to watch the same video so they could see how that it is possible to double what you have. It is possible to do more with what you already have. If you have the knowledge, if you have what it takes in the areas of knowledge, you could do more with what you already have. Okay? So thank you for watching. I do appreciate sincerely. God bless.